Quick steps, nothing extra, let's start. In the first step, open settings and navigate to general. After that, select AirDrop and set it to everyone or contacts only. After that, launch photos and pick the video to share. In the next step, launch Finder on Mac or File Explorer on Windows. Then plug iPad into laptop using a USB cable. Later, when asked, trust the device on iPad. In the next step, open Photos or iTunes on laptop, then select Import or Sync to retrieve videos. Next, mark the videos and approve the transfer. In the next step, download and open a cloud service such as Google Drive or iCloud. Now, transfer video from iPad to the online storage. After that, open cloud storage on laptop and save the video. In the next step, get a file transfer app like Snapdrop or Seshwrite. Then run the app on both iPad and laptop. Later, pick the video and send it without wires. You are good to go.